Welcome to all our listeners from around the world. For your daily crypto digest, this is your host, Peer-to-Peer Tech. Thanks for choosing us to share the future of Bitcoin, a nation-state resistance, peer-to-peer, hard money commodity and other altcoin news, interviews, the case for proof of work, technical analysis, the economy and crypto-related regulations on the daily basis for your better understanding of the future of money. If you are new here, know that you are in good company. Let's get started. Unknown hash power captured 64% of the Bitcoin SV chain during the past 7 days. Empty BSV blocks renders chain useless at times. Unknown miner has been stealing a significant portion of hash power from Bitcoin SV by mining empty blocks and trolling the project. According to CoinDance statistics, the miner successfully seized 80% of the hash rate between October 17 and October 18, 2022. It's interesting to note that during the defamation trial between Craig Wright, the guy who claims to be Satoshi Nakamoto, and the fictitious Bitcoiner Hodlonaut, the unidentified miner grabbed control of the blockchain's hash rate. Hodlonaut was cleared of all charges relating to the defamation case, and Wright lost the lawsuit. Craig Wright, the self-described Satoshi, was also mandated to pay $348,257 to cover Hodlonaut's legal costs. The unidentified miner increased its hash rate attempts a few days before the lawsuit finished, even though the outcome of the case had not yet been determined. The miner chose to mine nearly empty blocks rather than blocks with tens of thousands of transactions, rendering the blockchain useless for extended periods of time. The BSV miner uses the BSV address 1kpst, and has so far been successful in mining 31,111 BSV. The past 6 blocks were taken by an unidentified BSV miner at 8:30 a.m. at the time this story was being written, and each block subsidy only had 1 transaction. The recent hack on BSV is not the first time a hostile miner has trolled the project using the blockchain. Crypto exchanges stopped accepting BSV deposits at the middle of July 2021 after 78% of the BSV hash rate for that month was taken. The network was brought to its knees by a minor 51% attack on the Bitcoin SV chain during the first week of August 2021. According to Nikita Zhavoronkov, the creator of Blockchair, the BSV network underwent a 100-block reorg on Tuesday, August 3, 2021, which wiped out 570 Kelvin transactions. The BSV project sponsor, the Bitcoin Association, said on October 17, 2022 that it will take legal action against the stealth miner after it had gained control of about 80% of the network. The BSV project sponsor, the Bitcoin Association, said on October 17, 2022 that it will take legal action against the stealth miner after it had gained control of about 80% of the network. The Bitcoin Association said that it was taking action to contact all pertinent exchanges and miners to freeze all block rewards connected to this rogue miner. The Bitcoin Association also announced that it will be seeking criminal proceedings against the culpable party or parties. In addition, according to the Bitcoin Association, which has been monitoring the miner for months, the increased activity has resulted in network challenges for honest miners and businesses that engage with the Bitcoin SV network. Producing an empty block is not fundamentally a dishonest conduct under the criteria laid forth in the white paper, Bayer asserts in the same blog post update. On the same day, Bayer also tweeted a link to a BitcoinSV.com post in which it was said that mining empty blocks harms the Bitcoin network. On October 23, the local cryptocurrency Bitcoin SV is trading 1.8% lower than Bitcoin and down 3.0% versus the US dollar. The BSV token has lost 72.7% of its value versus the US dollar so far this year, and it is 90.5% below its all-time high set on April 16, 2021. BSV has experienced $25.19 million in worldwide trade activity over the past 24 hours, with a large portion of deals coming from South Korea. According to data from CryptoCompare.com, the Korean won currently comprises 46.68% of BSV's global trading pairs. With 35.69% of all BSV trades, Tether is the second largest trading pair behind US Dcoin, which accounts for 8.45% of all BSV swaps.